Hello guys, today we are going to do a how to draw Valentine's Day kitty. I love kitties. I even have a Beanie Boo. I have a Beanie Boo Valentine's Day one that I just got. And I have another pink cat. It's just normal, it's not Valentine's Day though. But anyways, we're going to draw a Valentine's Day cat. I have a pen. You could use a black marker, a pencil, or whatever you can use. So, here's how you draw the Valentine's Day kitties. First, we're going to start off with the head. Make a big circle. There we go. I'll give you time to draw and remember this in mind, okay? You could pause, okay? But I'm going to go fast here, so you could pause the video whenever you need to, okay? And anyways, let's do this now. And then I like to do a little inner piece. And then I like to draw the other one. Okay, guys, now we're going to draw the eyes. I always like to draw a bubble. And then we'll draw the smile. I like to always start off with the whiskers. We're going to do 2 whiskers on each side. Okay. Okay, there we go. Now we're going to draw the furry little body. Okay, so I'm going to draw the inner piece. And then we're going to draw the tail. You know, kitties always have a tail, which is the important part. Okay, there we go. And then now we're going to draw the little feetsies. You could do your cat like standing down, but I'm going to do my kitty standing up. Well, I mean sitting down, not standing down, but whatever. I know my Beanie Boo is like kind of like sitting, it's sitting down. Like kind of this Beanie Boo right here that I have. Yeah, right here. She's kind of like sitting down. Just this is like more of a sheep. It's kind of a cat though. Okay. Okay. So now we're going to do the arms. This is just a cat part. Just wait till the end to see the decorations. Okay, now we're going to do this. I like to always color them in, but you don't have to color them in if you don't want to. Okay. Okay, now here's the part where we draw the heart. So, this is more like a kitty, okay. And then I'm going to write a little note that's saying, be mine, right there. And then now we're going to color in, and then I'll see you guys when I'm done coloring in. Bye! Okay guys, now I have my kitty colored in, and I hope you guys liked this video. And if you did, please subscribe to my channel, and please turn on notifications, and click the like button too. Thank you guys. See you soon for our next video.